I'm starting an online media company called Forward Magazine, and I have no idea what I am doing, but I have been dreaming about this for a very long time because every fiber of my being believe that this will change the way founders show up and grow their business. Because while everyone else is teaching evergreen content and blueprint that you can copy and swipe, I want to teach you how to think strategically. Now, I am coming for a strong background of building other people's business, working in other people's company, and I'm actually completing my bachelor degree in business management with a concentration of sales and marketing. And one of the things that I want to bring to the table that many other gurus does not have is the formal education with the execution. So I want to show you if you've ever thought that, I don't know enough because I haven't gone to business school, but I want to bridge the gap. So say, for instance, there are 12 steps into identifying your target market. The industry is only showing you about three. I want to widen your range so you can really become a marketer, a business entrepreneur, a CEO in your business, not just have the title. I want you to learn how to think like them. I want you to understand what is necessary to move your business forward. But let me explain something to you from the scratch. The reason why I say I don't know what I'm doing, because every business, when you're starting it new, no one really have a clue. Not because you come with a strong business background means that you'll know exactly what to do. Because every audience, every industry, there's a different demographic and different principles for us to adapt to. And also, you are learning who you are in a new role because we're going to be wearing all the hats. I want to share with you all the messy stuff and also all the good stuff. I already started reading my books to help me work on the areas that no one is talking about. To be a great entrepreneur, you have to be disciplined. I'm creative, which means wherever the wind blow, I really want to go. And I can't. I have to stay firm, disciplined. Ugh. That's not my natural personality. Okay. If hippie was an employee job, paid up opportunity, I would take it. But that's not the case right now, right? So here in this platform, it is for the individuals that have done all that they could and are ready to quit. The founder that is doing everything right and still not seeing the results, right? I want to help the individuals that have invested so much and have come to the end where they're like, I don't know what else. I don't want you to give up because I have been all those three things, okay? But I persevered because the vision was too big. And I believe that God gave me this vision for a reason. He gave me the task for a reason. It's not as easy as fast, Lord. I wish I had prayed for something else when I was younger, but we're on this road together. So while I am learning, I will be uploading every week a new chapter, things that I am learning and doing to help me go forward. And if you've already started your business, it will help you to even progress and stay true to your journey, your passion and your devotion. And if you have not yet started, then this will help you get your business start without taking years to learn it. You'll also have the opportunity to have conversation with me and ask me questions so that I can help you as I grow, you grow as well, and tell you much more about what we're working on here on Forward Magazine. Why did we choose Forward Magazine? I think that's where I am going to start next. Remember to subscribe, comment, and keep this community going. I'm Alicia Ford. This is Forward Magazine. And actually, I'm on my last year of getting my bachelor degree in business and marketing sales and also sales. So it's a major in business management with the if I don't stop